Are you in a job that just doesn't feel like the right fit, but you can't put your finger on why? Or maybe you're exploring your next step and want a role that actually aligns with your values, strengths, and goals, but you haven't figured out a way to understand how to make that happen. Well, I've given the Pro D assessment to dozens of people in your shoes, leaders and professionals who want to better understand who they are and what kind of work actually brings them to life, what kind of work actually brings you joy. Well, the Pro D is a holistic, research backed assessment that helps you identify what drives you, how you work best, and where you'll thrive. Unlike generic career tests, the Pro D goes much deeper, giving you language to describe your mission, your values, competency, and leadership style with clarity. Whether you're navigating a career transition, reevaluating your career path, or you're just feeling stuck and you want more to understand what's going on, this assessment will help you understand yourself and take practical steps to move forward. So here's what you get: a full 25 page Pro D professional report that includes lots of charts, but specifically information like your mission, your competency, your work styles, ideal job function, leadership anchors, key traits, cultural preferences, cultural map, and so much more. Plus, you get a 90-minute one on one coaching session with me to walk through the results. It's one thing to take an assessment. How many times have you taken an assessment and then tried to figure it out on your own? Well, that's not how this is. You must take it with a certified coach like me. So we spend that time together to make sure you fully understand: what is this report? How does it apply to you personally? How can you use it? How will you interpret it? Walk through questions you have and next steps. The full package, that assessment and the one-on-one debrief for an hour and a half, it costs $395. Just like with all my other assessments and coaching packages, I'm offering a 25% discount for the month of August. It's my birthday, so we're celebrating by giving everybody 25% off if you use the code August 2025. You just need to purchase in August, and then you have 6 months to schedule your session or to start coaching. So if you're ready today to have more clarity, unlock language around your strengths, and take the next step in your career, this is the tool that can help you get there. Links are in the show notes. I look forward to working with you.